How to do identity verification on Cash App. In order to verify your identity on Cash App, simply launch Cash App, and this is a type of interface that you will see. Now what you have to do from here is to simply tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side, and there you'll find the option called security and privacy, so just make sure to tap on it. Once you're here, you will find an option that says identity verification if your account isn't already verified, and you'll also find the verify button next to it, so tap on the verify button. First of all, the thing to understand over here is that if you want to verify your identity, you must be a valid citizen of either the UK or the United States. So United Kingdom or United States are the only ones that can use Cash App, and you need to have a registered phone number, and you also need to have other things. So you can tap on verify your identity button right here. Now in my case, I have some restrictions with my account, but if you do not have any restrictions, you should be able to enter your date of birth. For example, you can also verify by coming to limits, tapping on verify identity, just tap on continue option here. It will ask you to enter your birth date, so make sure to go ahead and then enter that. Then tap on next. It will also ask you to enter the last 4 digits of your social security number, so make sure to enter that. Then again tap on the next option. It will ask you to upload your document details, your full address details and legal details. You'll need to either have your citizenship with you, your tax identification number, your driver's license or your passport in order to upload it, and verify that you are a real citizen of the country that you belong to. And this way you should be able to verify identity on Cash App. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.